To add a node to your network, click on the button at the bottom of the node list. Please note that the easiest way to do this is via Bluetooth scan on the mobile app, but it can still be beneficial to do so on the dashboard website in the event that you cannot physically reach the node. First, give the node a name. This is completely up to the user, but some examples we have seen are unique numbers, the node's location among its installation area, such as near a specific building or courtyard, or anything to help you keep track of where it's being deployed. The MAC address, however, needs to be exactly the same as the node itself. This can be found on the box that the node came in, or on its serial number sticker located on its outer case. All of our MAC addresses start with 20CE2A, along with 3 additional pairs of hexadecimal digits. Select the node's location, which can be done automatically by permitting the site to use your location. Lastly, you can add any notes that will appear when a user is viewing the node in the dashboard website. From here, you can easily flip to a list of all the nodes from other networks in your account, making it easy to switch a node from its current network to a new one. You may do this by simply clicking on its MAC address and dragging it over to the new network. Click on the triangle to change sorting settings if desired. Each node is displayed by name and MAC address. There is individual data for each device as well, including bandwidth capacity and number of users connected to it. A very important attribute to consider is the node's battery level. Its status only updates when a node is connected to the network as a repeater or gateway. Please note that if an offline node displays a battery level of 0%, the node has likely lost its connection to the network or has not been set up properly. Connecting the node via mobile app will always display its correct battery life. The color of the circle on the left side of each node's MAC address is its online status. Similar to the LED indicators, red means that the node is turned off or in recovery mode, green means that it is in repeater mode, and blue means that it is in gateway mode. If you hover over the 3 dots on the right side of the node's battery level, you will find various options for each node. Clicking Edit will allow you to change the node's display name, location, and check its firmware version. Below that, you can click to reboot a node, which may help in troubleshooting procedures. From here, you may also delete the node from your network and update its firmware, which will be discussed in a later video. On the right side of the node list, there is a network map that gives some visual insight into the performance of the network and physical space. There are a handful of useful overlay tools for this map. Utilization displays actual throughput usage compared to the maximum capacity of a node. Noise map can help you set a node with minimal interference. Network history identifies when and where network outages may have happened. If you would like to learn more about them, click on the question mark on the top right corner of the map. If you click on a node's MAC address in the list, the network map will display its geographical location along with useful stats such as estimated battery life. The color of the circles on the map correlate to the status colors explained previously. You can click and drag each circle around the map to have a more accurate setup for your network. Not having it perfect does not affect its performance. A very useful display setting can be found by clicking the 24-hour clock icon when a node is highlighted. This shows you a node's online status over the past day, which is an essential tool in the event that troubleshooting is necessary. There are a lot of tools here at your disposal, and combining each of them can help you create your optimal network setup during installation.